Hi, I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about how to fix an improperly burned jar candle. So I have an example here of one that's been improperly burned, as it were. And the biggest thing that happens is you end up with a lot of soot around the top because soot can, cake up on your glass and mar the aesthetic look of your candle. And so the best way to fix that is to trim your wick down so that it's only 1/4 of an inch high. And then you just clean the soot off and try it again. Another thing that can happen is the same as in pillar candles, which is it can tunnel down. And once it's tunneled, there's not much you can do about fixing it other than to trim away the wax that's above the wick. So if that happens in your jar candle, you're going to have to find a way to scrape the wax around the edge so that, again, it's level with your wick. So you're going to trim your wick down to 1/4 of an inch and you're going to scrape away the extra wax. And then when you burn it again, it'll melt that top layer of wax. And as long as you melt the whole top layer, it'll burn down in a flat surface, which will help keep the wick in check and also help stop the tunneling from happening again. So that's how to fix an improperly burned jar candle. And I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!